Envision a future where human translators become outdated, superseded by machines. How imminent is this possibility? Let's delve into some recent findings. A survey conducted by the Society of Authors, UK's largest association for writers, illustrators and translators, has disclosed some surprising information. More than 4 in 10 translators reported a decrease in income due to the rise of generative artificial intelligence. Moreover, 37% of translators have used this AI to assist their work, driven by necessity rather than choice. 8% were even guided to use it by their publisher or commissioning organization. These sketch an unmistakable image of an industry challenged by advancing technology. The ascension of AI is not just a future peril, it's a present situation for many in the translation field. The concern about job security is not unfounded, as a significant number of translators have already felt the impact. But how accurate are these statistics? Could the impact of AI be overestimated? However, can machines accurately reproduce the complexities and intricacies of human language? This question has been pondered by many, notable among them being Thomas Bunstead, a respected translator. Thomas distinguishes between literary translators and those who work in commercial fields. He asserts that while AI may be proficient at managing simpler, more direct translations like instruction manuals, literary translations present a unique challenge. Translation, as it turns out, is an intricate craft, demanding extensive knowledge of the original languages, cultural contexts, and the author's objective. It's about transmitting the import and core of the text, not merely the words. As Thomas articulates it, idiomatic, complex and sophisticated writing will probably remain a task for human translators. Thus, as AI continues its advancements, it seems it still has a considerable journey ahead. It can genuinely mirror the human element in translation. The human element in translation, it appears, is indispensable. But is the human touch in translation truly irreplaceable, or is it just a matter of time before AI catches? What can we anticipate for the future of translators in the face of progressing AI technology? Opinions differ greatly. Nicholas Smalley, an experienced translator of Swedish and Norwegian, holds the opinion that detailed, idiomatic writing will probably continue to be a task for human translators. But she flags a potential issue that as AI takes the reins of more rudimentary translation tasks, human translators may find themselves contending for the same intricate projects. Ian Giles, co-chair of the Translators Association, draws a rather unsettling image. He has observed his income from commercial translation assignments noticeably dwindle since the onset of 2023. He is apprehensive that the disappearance of non-literary translation work could render the industry less accessible, allowing only the affluent to translate literature for publication. Besides, Giles observes a trend towards post-editing, where first an AI translates a text, and then human editors scrutinize and adjust the output. This method could further alter the contour of the translation industry. The translation industry is at a pivotal point, and the route it embarks on will likely reshape the of translators in the era of AI. But is this the only path the translation industry can take, or are there other possibilities we haven't considered? Let's focus on Nuanced, a company that is transforming the translation landscape by integrating AI into its processes. Robert Carsten Karlberg, the CEO, champions AI as a tool that can boost efficiency without sacrificing creativity or quality. He reiterates the importance for translators to adapt their methodologies to harmonize with AI, not resist it. Yet this perspective isn't universally accepted. Nicholas Smalley, the experienced translator, argues that post-editing, an approach where an AI initially translates a text, followed by human editors who inspect and refine the output, could increase workload for translators. She elaborates, translators have to exercise a greater level of scrutiny as AI-produced text often seems plausible, necessitating meticulous comparison to identify misinterpretations and subpar or unidiomatic style. As we probe further into this AI-led transition, we notice a substantial increase in the demand for translated books. John Bunstead, a literature critic, attributes the intermittent slowdown translators face to the rise of AI. He remembers a time not long ago when Brexit's introverted policies were held responsible for financial hardships in the industry. In a recent poll by the Society of Authors, SOA, a staggering 94% of participants expressed desire for recognition or compensation when their work is utilized to create generative AI tools. This underlines the escalating worry about the ethical and legal creation and application of AI tools. The SOA demands immediate government intervention to safeguard translators' rights and contributions. Ian Giles maintains a hopeful outlook. The creative and literary translation will persist in some form or another, he assures. Giles is confident that there is an audience that has a strong inclination for human-translated content, underscoring the persistent will among translators to persist with their craft, irrespective of the hurdles AI may pose. But will the audience's desire for human-translated content be enough to keep the craft alive in the face of AI? As we conclude our deep dive into AI and translation, it's evident that this industry is evolving at a rapid pace. The integration of AI in translation processes has led to a paradigm shift, but it has also sparked important debates on ethics, workload, and the preservation of the human touch. The conversation is far from over, and as we continue to explore this topic in future videos, we invite you to share your thoughts and experiences. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support helps us to continue creating content that matters. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and its impact on various industries. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. We are keen on hearing your perspective on this matter, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.